Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Progressive Mobile App review to see if it's worth using. The Progressive Mobile App is a free tool that makes managing your insurance simple and convenient. You can view policy details, access digital ID cards, pay bills, report and track claims, and also request roadside assistance all from your mobile. The app also integrates with Progressive Snapshot program, which monitors driving habit to potentially offer discounts, and it's also available on iOS and Android with a rate of 4.8 stars rating on the Apple stores and 4.6 stars rating on Google Play Store, reflecting a high user satisfaction. The Progressive app is a solid choice for managing your insurance on the go. Its user-friendly interface and a comprehensive features make it easy to handle various insurance tasks. However, some users have reported issues with the snapshot program, such as inaccurate driving data and battery drain. Overall, it is, if you're looking for a convenient way to manage your insurance, the Progressive app is worth considering, and that's it.